Hi everyone, I'm Mark Ames. Welcome to 5 on the Frontline, produced by AIHA. Our guest today is Jill Asch. Ms. Asch has over 25 years of experience in the environmental consulting and industrial hygiene field. Her experience encompasses expertise in field performance, quality assurance, and health and safety. As a certified industrial hygienist and certified safety professional, Ms. Asch is committed to protecting the health and safety of people in the workplace and our community. Ms. Asch is a member of the Hillman 24-hour emergency response team and chairwoman of the Hill Health and Safety Committee. Welcome to the show, Jill.
Thank you very much, Mark. Good to be here.
Jill, you and your employees are environmental health and safety consultants in New Jersey. You help protect worker health and safety, which makes you essential workers. You'd like to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but you're a bit frustrated by the government's rollout. What's got you so frustrated?
Well, Mark, for the last year, Hillman's been working hard to continue to provide our clients with the services they require. In addition, when the pandemic first started, we started to provide third-party oversight for clients having reactive cleaning in their facilities once confirmed or suspected COVID were discovered in their building. As the corporate health and safety officer, I trained many of our employees in keeping safe while working in the areas where they had potential exposure to the virus. In addition, we've also been doing other work for other clients during the entire time. By following the CDC guidelines, our employees did not contract the virus during any of our work activities during all that time. Recently, however, our employees have been getting exposure in various ways, mainly outside the work area. In fact, in the last 24 hours, I've had to quarantine a couple of my employees. And to me, that's very upsetting after all this work we've been done. As the virus is increasing, we've been getting a little difficult to keep our people safe. And we were very hopeful that the vaccine would continue to protect my employees. But as I've been trying to get my employees to get ready to get the vaccine, I've found it very frustrating. And one thing is that we have employees in 16 different states throughout the country. And the big problem is that there is no consistency regarding how each state handles the vaccines. Some of the states have ways to register online, and then others do not. The other thing that really gets frustrating is that New York and New Jersey have totally different systems, even though they're right next to each other. So that's why it's been very frustrating. So what we've been trying to do is trying to let our employees know how to get the vaccine. So the first thing we need to look at is we determine as essential employees that we are in a phase earlier than phase 2. A lot of my people thought they had to wait them. We're not healthcare workers, we're not daycare workers and so forth. So the first one is to determine what category our employees are in and what phase, and also what wording to use. In several states, including New Jersey, there is no topic called public health. So we have to find a different wording. So that's the first thing to get out there. Once our people are all registered, then the next thing is how will they get the vaccine? And that also is very frustrating from state to state. If the government could coordinate it a little bit better, and I know that's a little difficult with 50 different states, I would think that would be a little bit easier if there was one place to go in, register, and you'd get popped into your various state. I think that would be very helpful. In addition, to get information about how to get the vaccine once you're registered. For instance, right now in New Jersey, people that are 65 and older can get the vaccine, and people that are 65 and older are having a hard time finding out how to get registered. So we need some type of system to occur that make it easier for everyone to register and get the most important, to get the vaccine. Thank you.
That is fantastic. I love those recommendations. There you have it, everyone. Some feedback from the front lines, and that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for joining. I'm Mark Ames. This has been 5 on the Front Line. We'll see you next time.